What's happening, fellas? So it's your boy Big Man. Look, this is going to be an unboxing slash update video in between the alternator upgrade slash install video. Now, the reason why that video is the way it is and it's going to look kind of unorganized because there was no one else who had a video on how to install an alternator. The removal and installation of an alternator on the VQ37BHR. Alright, the VQ37BHR, no one else had that information out there. You can find on the VQ35DE, etc., but not on the VQ37BHR. So I had to figure that out on my own. It's kind of back and forth and just make sure I can turn nothing up. So I will do my best going forward to give you guys more organized videos over time. So even if it may take me a couple months to get the video and do it right, I'd rather do it right and give you guys a more in-depth and in-order organized video now going forward. And then it's kind of like these hodgepodge videos where I'm just kind of slapping it together and saying, hey, here's the content. So going forward, that's what we're going to do now. This is an unboxing that I am proud to do because I am a subscriber to Chris Fix, and if you are a subscriber to Chris Fix, then you will know there was a particular product he championed after 2 years of using. I want you guys to get my address. And he used it on 2 different vehicles. He did it on the Drift Stang and he did it on the Del Sol. And that is, wait, did I get off tape? Okay, yeah, I did. Let go, man. There we go. Oh, nice. Ooh, nice. That is, if you will, these. Can you tell what it is? Can't tell what it is? Then I'll show you. It is a eFlex Plus E85 FlexFuel kit. So everything is in the box. You see all the hoses, the fittings. Of course, this is for my motor. This is for the nice. This is for the VQ37BHR. Now he said he's been using it for 2 years. I trust him. Actually, I was a subscriber of Chris Fix back when I want to say about 5 years ago. Back when he stopped doing, the fishing videos really on his channel and started doing really just locking in on DIY car maintenance and repair. So I trust him. I trust him to have done his due diligence. So let's go through these boxes and see what all we got. Now I do have the invoice over here. It has what's called the eFlex harness Nipon, accessories, 8mm, and the bypass module. So I take this is probably the bypass module. Yep, temporary bypass module. Use this bypass module to temporarily disable the eFlexFuel control. Okay, so nice. Basically, it's like a dummy plug. Anybody that works in any type of electronics, this is a dummy plug. Basically, it loops it back so it'll turn itself off. So let's get to this box first. Big box. Yep, here's the harness. Here is the harness. That's nice. Here is the connectors. I protected these connectors right here. Go right here. Connect it in right there. But of course, we're going to forward instructions and see what CP pieces it will get. Comes with zip ties, but I'll probably buy some more. You can never have enough zip ties when you're doing a project like this. But everything looks like it's pretty much plug and play. You just gotta tap in where they say tap in at. Let's put this all back up. Don't want to lose it or misplace it. Oh, that would suck. You're like this close to finishing, but you don't finish because you misplaced a part and you don't know what it is, so you don't know what to do. I'm gonna show this the correct way. I think this is a sleeve. Yep, sleeve. Move the sleeve, and then we can come in here. And here is the pied de resistance. eFlexFuel Plus. So yeah, the dummy plug would go. No. So this is the module itself, the main module. The dummy plug would plug in somewhere into the harness and tell it this is not working, or tell it to stop. And I'm pretty sure this is what the hoses will come into right here. So these, I think these clip onto the fuel rail, fuel injectors rather. This is nice. Now this ships out of Finland. So if you order one of these, ships out of Finland. So it's gonna take a while. It's gonna get through customs and all that stuff. But if you know anything about the Finns, I think it's the Finnish, but it sounds weird because in American language and dialect, we say Finnish, that means the end. But in Finland, they know how to drive. If you're a fan of the old Top Gear with Jeremy, Richard, and James made, then you know the Finns can win. That was intended. All right, so real quick, let's get to this update part. I'll show you guys some of the things that's going to be coming out. Over here, we have, you already know, despite how ugly they are, these are raised wheels. These are genuine, authentic. I was actually lucky enough to get these at the junkyard, the full set. Whoever had them, I guess they were trying to dye them or whatever, and they just did a half-ass job. But I believe it was a dude's car for sure, because these are Yokohama YK740 GTX tires, all four of them. And y'all know usually if it's a person that doesn't care about their car, or typically some women, there'll be mismatched tires, mismatched treads all the way around, but these are all the same tires. I already checked. Raised wheels. Of course, I'm gonna see if I can refinish them. I'm gonna sell these. They could go in the queue, but nah. I think I'm gonna sell these. Like I said, we're gonna see about refinishing them. Anybody seen Chris Fix videos knows you can kind of make some things to check with this. So I'm gonna take one of the wheels, one of the worst looking wheels, test some paint, that paint removal stuff, and see if this will come off. And if that will come off, then we'll do the full process. I'll probably shoot most of the video you guys have seen before if you're in the car stuff. Refinish them and then sell them. You know what I'm saying? Do something with the damage. There's some curb rash on the outer wheels, but we're gonna make that do what it do. We're gonna make that work and get these right. So that's coming to the vehicle, to the channel later on, probably spring, summer, sometime like that. Also, there's a company called GG Wraps. Now, I don't know if anybody else has done this on YouTube, but I'm doing it for my vehicle. They have pre-cut chrome delete wraps that you can just buy from them. Now, I don't know if they're any good or not, but I just happened to scroll through and see them, because what I was gonna do, do I have it out? I don't. It's out there. I have a forged carbon 3M wrap that I was gonna do on my vehicle, but time got away from me. I don't have the vehicle in my possession right now. It's a long story. And I was like, you know what? Let me buy those. I can test them, show you guys how to put them on, see how long they last, and then you can make a decision on if you want to support that or not. That way, we can get more than just like the matte and the satin and stuff like that. We can get the forged carbon, pre-cut wraps and stuff like that. So you can change up your look and make the vehicle look the way you want to. And you don't have to look like the next, Q50 rolling down the road. So those things that are coming. More engine upgrades are going to come down the pipeline. I think I'm going to keep it all motor for now. And just make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Do performance fluids in the transmission. I think it's time. And just dress it up, make it look nice, make it my type of vehicle. 3-way speakers for the front, so I can use my amp that I got back there. Has been sitting there for like 2 years. I have never installed that. Probably upgrade the amp that I have in there to something a little bit beefier, because I want to go back to Mezzo 12. This is a single sub, either Strato or Mezzo out of CT Sounds. And yeah, just stuff coming down the pipeline in the future. I thought about a forged carbon steering wheel, but I really don't want to lose my heated steering wheel function. So yeah, man, you guys just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button. Let me know you guys are engaged in the content, and the videos will get better over time. This, 2022 going forward, I'm gonna take more time and dedication towards each video. So you may not see a video for a long time. It might be something like Tom's Turbo Garage, where you won't see a video for months, but then when I start bringing them in, they'll be well done. And they'll be better than what they were the last time. Each video will just get better and better and better. So with that, man, catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.